A bag contains 3 red, 4 black balls. Another bag contains 5 red and 6 black balls. चलिए हम एक बैग बना लेते हैं. This is my bag 1. 4 red and 4 black balls. I'm sorry, 3 red and 4 black balls. Another bag contains 5 red and 6 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bag. One of the bag. It's a choice. Is found to be red. Find the probability that it was drawn from the second bag. One of the ball is drawn, right है, और हम बात कर रहे हैं किसकी, रेड बॉल की. सो एज यू डू हैव अ चॉइस, या तो वो बैग 1 से आ सकती है या फिर वो बैग 2 से आ सकती है. Then here we'll write the probability of getting a red ball, that is 3 out of 7. ये हमारी क्या बन गई, probability of red ball from bag 1. I can write this as PR subjected to B1, right है. And then जरूरी नहीं कि वो बैग 1 से आए. This ball can be from second bag. How many red balls are there? Sir, 5 out of 11. And I can write this as red ball subjected to bag 2. This is okay. We are having a 2 bag. In the last lecture I have discussed with you the probability do have a 3 types of, a probability, more than 1, or conditional. Conditional तो है ही है. And here as we are getting a 1 ball from a bag, so it means it's a 10th class. How many red balls? 3 out of 7. 5 out of this. Now as I do have a option to select a bag, तो यहां पर हमारे पास फिर दोबारा से क्या बनता है, पहले हम चुनेंगे बैग 1 and then probability of red ball subjected to bag 1. फिर हम चुन सकते हैं बैग 2 and probability of red ball subjected to bag 2. ये तो हो गया total probability. And out of these two, which one is in favor? We are looking from the red ball from bag 2. So it means bag 2 multiplied by red ball subjected to bag 2. Now it's time to substitute the values. Bag 2, what's the probability for bag 2, Myra?
So 1 by 2.
It's 1 by 2. It's not given, then you can uniformly distribute. It's a 1 by 2. Red ball subjected to bag 2, that is 5 by 11. It's a 1 by 2 again, 5 by 11 here, 1 by 2, and that is 3 by 7. Right है. और इसके बाद nothing, a simple basic calculations plus minus that you can do. Any doubt? चलिए, let's move to the next question.